Cost Estimates report. In the Reports tab at the top of the ribbon menu, under the Cost Schedule button, you will find the Direct and Overhead Cost Estimates report. They provide you with a clear, detailed view of your direct cost or overhead cost schedules, allowing you to review, change, customize, print and export the project costs and information. The Project Cost Estimates report provides an individual breakdown of everything in each cost item. This report is far more detailed than the cost summary reports. In the Cost Estimates reports, you will see the items listed by line number and all the elements within your cost estimates, including parent items with numbered child items indented below. A total of all items is given at the end of the summary. If you want to save this report configuration, then at the top click Save Report Configuration. Give your configuration a name and press OK to save. Now when you go up to the ribbon menu and click on Reports and then Saved Report Configurations, you will see the template you just created. It's a good idea to put the report type in the name because you can create configurations for all of your reports and they will all appear in the same drop-down list. As a shortcut, clicking on the drop-down list takes you directly to the report. This is useful when you want to see the saved report configurations that have been standardized in your company, your department, division or team. As with other reports, you can customize the report by going to File, Options, then Reports. Here you can create your default report layout, such as easy viewing with alternating background colors on report rows. You can include report headers for Excel exports. You can replace zero values with your choice of custom text. And you can brand your report with your company name and logo. And that is how to work with the Cost Schedule Direct Cost Estimate and Overhead Cost Estimate reports. If you'd like to learn more about this feature, see the links provided below this video. Our in-house customer support specialists are here to help you 24/7 every day of the year.